Morning, everybody. Welcome back. Eric Hovland, General Contractor. Happy Saturday morning to you. So we are finishing this guy out. This is metallic copper infusion. It's a really pretty color. So as you can see, it's already started to take shape and take effect. It's really turning out super cool. This ought to be the last one to get us where we need. So each time I've added different tints of this copper. So I wanted some of it to be darker than the other. I wanted some of it to have more of a tint than the other, so on and so on. So I put 3 different types of this copper infusion together to achieve what I was trying to achieve. When I push this around here in a bit, it's really going to give us that look that we're trying to get. Alright, so what I wanted to show you, I've already done a couple of them. I had some of my black here from earlier, and what I do, I take a flat popsicle stick and I get just a coating's worth on there. As I get ready to set this down, I turn and I pull through. And what it's going to do, it's going to highlight little black lines here and there like edge work. So it's really cool. You don't want a whole lot of it, but you can definitely do as much as you want. So again, just kind of let it sit on top there, scrape it off, turn as you dip, and watch that black right there. Watch that black pop right through there. So we're just highlighting these guys here and there just to get some black tones in this very pretty copper. Just like that. Turn sideways and pull. Just that simple. We put a black dark tint right in that guy. Boom. Sideways pull. Just like that. When you're satisfied with it, you can obviously stop. But you can play with that, and the more you do, the more that black is going to shimmer through there and just kind of highlight some of those edges. It's going to make all those mixes really come to life good. So there it is. So basically what I did there and what the look I was trying to do to achieve that, the 3 stages of copper that I poured in here of that copper infusion, I had 3 teaspoons of the copper on the first go around. I had 2 teaspoons on the second go around, and I had 1 teaspoon on the final. Then when I did the black and put it on into that stick, that's how we are getting all these different traces it looks like you had went through here and highlighted the edge work in all this a black, which I did not. It's just the way I got all that to take and sit. It just really shaded those black and put right in that edge work. Really just came together. So this is going to be, we're actually doing this piece. This is a corner Lazy Susan. As you can see, the cabinet would sit under it, and it's one of those flip doors to where you just push it in. So this is going to be the guy sitting right on top. So when all this walnut gets highlighted and coated and everything after we unbox him, he's really going to be spectacular. So just wanted to show you how we went about achieving that look. It's all the same color, but different formulas, different measurements of the copper, different stages, different tints as we pour, and then popping all those black highlights in is how we really get that effect to come out. So as usual, thanks as always for watching. We'll be putting this guy in play real soon and showing you the finish on it. Thanks so much. I know you thought the video was over. It's been a couple hours, so I just want to take you through. I just wanted you to see. So we made a couple of more swipes through everything, but really got this guy to do the cell effect and really just case out every bit of that. Just really came together beautifully. Again, you would have never got that look. Looks like where we highlighted every tip and everything in black. That's just, you can get that look just by the way I told you. Just wanted you to see what it looked like closer to getting this guy out and unboxing him. Just turned out phenomenal. Till next time, everybody. Thanks as usual. See you real soon.